Here we are at the St. Regis Maldives. Apologize, I mispronounced it there. This is Villa 311, an oceanfront pool villa. Not sure of the technical name, but I'll check it out on their website and put it in the video link. You have great privacy on both sides. No neighbors really can look in. It's the living area. I closed out the blinds just so the footage can be a little bit better. Nice Bang & Olufsen television there. King size bed. Day bed in the background. Very nice vaulted ceilings. Got a great booze collection here. Probably the cheapest way to drink on this island. Each bottle is around 65 to 75, 80 bucks. It's 375 ml bottles, so $1 per ounce. Fairly reasonable, actually. Very reasonable for the Maldives. Plenty of water they stock, free of charge. You got the St. Regis snacks there. When we checked in, there was a bunch of chocolates on the conveyor, or whatever that thing is called. In case you got to work in the Maldives, you have a bit of a desk here with an awesome view when the blinds are open. Here we got an indoor-outdoor bathtub. Real nice egg-shaped bathtub. There's the shower. Dual vanities. Whoever you're traveling with, I hope you're fine with seeing them do their business, because, you know, it's not the most private toilet. Luckily, you can close the doors between the toilet and the bathroom, but still unusual. You don't see that too often. Let's go outside here to the outdoor shower area. It's got dual showers and a little bit of a chaise there. Totally private. Drones are not allowed here, so you can rest in peace relatively, having your outdoor shower. Back into the room. Nice daybed area. Great TV that swivels multi-ways. You have the iPad there that everything in the room is controlled with, including television, blinds, lights. Alright, let's go check out outside now. Since this is why you come to the Maldives, this beautiful view. Here we have our plunge pool. My better half, relaxing. Our butler just dropped off some iced tea and cookies and chocolates. As I mentioned, privacy is nice. No one can peep in from your two side neighbors. And now let's go check out this beautiful beach. You get a couple loungers, you got your umbrella here, overwater bungalows in the background. If we look back at the villa, apologize about that. That's what they look like. Take you back in as if you're walking in from the beach. You got your pool there. Got a nice bucket of water. You can fill it, wash your feet. So you take off the sand before you come in. So that's it. Tour of a oceanfront villa with your own pool. Tough to beat.